Hello, this is your cameraman Daniel again for this another update about the construction site. And still today's date is March 2nd, 2023. And right now they're still here. And it's about 5 o'clock or 5:02 at night. In the afternoon. Daylight savings around the corner. Yep. Here they are now. Hopefully a little bit later I'll give you like a little aftermath. Now let me see what the truck is doing right now. Yep, I wonder what he's doing. They're gonna block the whole traffic. Now I gotta see what they're doing. Now hopefully when they leave I'll be showing you the aftermath. This is just live. They're blocking things out the way so they can get the truck in there. Now let's see this. This is for fun. See one of them? You're being filmed. Look at that. The old guy's passing. Oh, look at this. Dumping up all the crap on the right on this sidewalk, and then make it into like a new cement. Look at this shit. Excuse me. And look at this. And down it goes. Down it goes. Yep. This guy's whistling. Look at this. Dumping some shit inside. Now they have to fucking dig it out. Excuse me with my language. You want to see this maybe closer for your YouTube audience? See the truck over there? Look at that. This could be for my video, for my family album. You see, I hope you're seeing this live for your YouTube audiences. See a truck over there? I guess this truck just took off already. They're gonna dump some more stuff in there. Look at this. That's why I'm videotaping him. Sorry about talking off the fourth wall. Yep. See the other guy too? Staff member. I don't know what the hell he's doing. This was recording on film. Just like watching the Fraggle Rock episodes with the dudes who were making buildings. Yeah. How much I love the original Fraggle Rock in the 1980s. HBO used to make that, and then they show reruns of it on the Disney Channel. I don't know, and I have it all on DVD. The original Fraggle Rock episodes. Look at that, he's going to the door. I don't know. And look at this guy over there. Mail truck. And I gotta eat dinner soon, sooner or later. Now what's this truck is going? Am I taping her? No. Look at that. One of the supervisors are going in. No, I'm not going to go in there. It's staff members. This will be taped. The whole entire audience. I want you to see this. This is why I do premiere this right on YouTube. Look at that. They probably fixing it or something. Yep. This is a load of crap they had to put in. It might take like a little while to put it in. They shut the motor off. Yep. Staff's over there talking. Right now it's about 5:12 in the afternoon, almost near the evening time. Look at that. Shutting the door. I gotta wait for these idiots to get out so I can walk around over there. I don't know when it's gonna be. This is all going on YouTube. He's digging in. Look at that. He's shoveling. Look at all this crap going in. Look at that. Well, hey, well, you have it, folks. They are still piling up some stuff, and I hope you enjoyed this today's video for March 2nd, 2023. I'll see you again next time, and I'll give you a little updates about it. In the meantime, this is your cameraman Daniel signing off, and please try to comment or subscribe or ring the bell if you like these. If you like today's video, or if you like these other videos that I did in the past. You just take care and enjoy this video or the previous videos. Bye. Hasta la vista. Don't want to be ya. Hopefully we'll be there later for Aftermath. Bye. Making videos, that's what I'm trying to do.